I don't know how long this store is going to be open for any longer, so I figure I might as well come and film the elevator right here. But this is the Neiman Marcus at Northbrook Court. And we have this automatic elevator that literally only goes up a couple feet. You know what, before we ride it, I will show just how far it goes. It goes up to there. That's it. Anyway. This elevator hasn't changed at all either. Glad to see some things around here as I remember them. Like the elevators. That's good. And of course, automatic elevator. Hasn't been used in a bit. Yep, that's basically as far as we went. If you look here, you'll see that we literally are right here. So we'll go back here to the elevator. All right, L. Indicator doesn't really work, but we'll watch it anyway, I guess. That's it.